So I bought this off Amazon. This is a motion captured ceiling light and all that fun stuff. But water resistant, not waterproof, so you know, put it a little farther back. But I kind of want this for my bathroom while I'm staying at my sister's place. Now, I have already opened this thing up and charged it up. But it has different functions. You can do different lights. They've got like a timer, fade, smooth where it cycles out. But we are going to mount it right over there. So what you get in the pack is this charging cable, which is really kind of nice. It has a 90-degree thing. Really hot. Some cables and wall mounts because go in the ceiling and the remote. Now this is your mount. It just switches off wrong because obviously you're going to have to take this off periodically or just run a big old battery pack to charge it. But I'm just going to take it off periodically. But it's just slides right off. So we are going to go get this where we want it in the shower. Use a 3/16 drill bit to get all the way in there. So we've got our spots. I'm just going to drill it. And then once you get them in, they're going to kind of look like that. So you want your screws like that into it, and then you'll tighten it all the way to the top. Just kind of line it up, and there you go. And there you go. Get to see the different colors, adjust it. Works pretty nice. This has been Z66. I hope you enjoyed this video of the DIY Recession to give the bathroom an upgrade. This has been a good one. I hope you have a good one. Goodbye.